हे फ्रेंड्स, सो राइट नाउ हम हैं बैंगलोर IIJS तृतीया 2024 में और मेरे साथ है श्री कल्पतरु ज्वेल्स प्राइवेट लिमिटेड से मिस्टर शुभम बापना.
Yes, sir.
हाय सर, हाउ आर यू?
Hi, Amiji. I'm good. How are you?
I'm too good, sir. First of all, I am really congratulating you and your company that you are the two-star export house.
Yes, sir.
And you are doing such a good job in India's export regarding to the gems and jewelry. सबसे पहले मुझे थोड़ा आपकी कंपनी के बारे में बताइए, इनके एस्टेब्लिशमेंट के बारे में और स्पेसिफिक हम कौन सी कैटेगरीज में काम करते हैं
Right.
ज्वेलरी में.
So we are from Sri Kalpataru Jewels India Private Limited, Mumbai and Secunderabad. We are two-star export house. We are a 40-year-old company serving corporates, serving to international clients, and we have our own manufacturing unit where we manufacture casting jewelry. We have all kinds of handmade jewelry as well. So वो सारी चीज़ें हम एक्सपोर्ट करते हैं एंड हमारा प्रोडक्ट बहुत अच्छा चलता है और कस्टमर्स भी हमारे प्रोडक्ट के बारे में अच्छे फीडबैक देते हैं. दैट्स व्हाई वी आर हियर इन दिस इंडस्ट्री फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम
एब्सोल्युटली.
एंड फ्रॉम अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम वी आर पार्ट ऑफ GJPC एज वेल. यू कैन से एज अ फाउंडिंग मेंबर ऑल्सो हम उसके एक पार्ट हैं.
फाउंडिंग मेंबर. ओह वाओ, दैट्स ग्रेट. शुभम भाई, वन मोर थिंग आई वांट टू आस्क दैट IIJS आप कितने सालों से पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हो?
So from last 25 years we are participating in IIJS.
ओहो.
जब डुप्लेक्स होता था
हाँ,
और
मतलब छोटा सा वेन्यू होता था.
नहीं बहुत बड़ा वेन्यू होता था.
हाँ.
कोविड के पहले डुप्लेक्स होते थे.
हाँ.
एक स्टॉल 1+1 वाला होता था. वी वर वन अमॉन्ग देन. फिर कोविड आया एंड देन दे स्टैंडर्डाइज ऑन द फॉर्मेट. तो वी आर पार्टिसिपेटिंग फ्रॉम लास्ट 25 इयर्स इन IIJS प्रीमियर. अब तृतीय भी आ गया है, IIJS सिग्नेचर भी आ गया है, एंड दिस इज द सेकंड एडिशन वेयर वी आर पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन IIJS तृतीय.
Okay.
So my experience has been wonderful.
Absolutely.
And ड्यू टू चलो कुछ टेक्निकल इश्यूज आ जाते हैं या फिर रेट फ्लक्चुएशन हो जाती है, बट ओवरऑल द इंडस्ट्री इज थ्राइविंग एंड ऑलवेज ग्रोइंग. वी हैव सीन ट्रेमेंडस रिस्पॉन्स एवरीवेयर.
हाँ, तो मैं ये बोल सकता हूँ कि IIJS पार्टिसिपेट करने से बहुत सारे क्लाइंट जो है वो आपके बकेट के अंदर अवेलेबल है बिकॉज ऑफ द IIJS.
Absolutely. Since we are two-star export house, the base of it has been the IIJS Premier.
Oh wow.
IIJS Premier was the place where we met our international customers
Absolutely.
from a long time, and that's how we have grown our exports. So
Yes, true.
Since I have joined this business from last 3 years, we were not a star export house, nothing. We were just exporting.
Okay.
We ramped up that to a great level, and one-star export house हो गए, and within 3 months we were two-star export house also.
My God, it's a
So we are
really
doing
a
good
great
job.
journey you have.
We are doing we are contributing our best level to the country's foreign reserves.
Absolutely. And sir, in how many countries we are right now exporting?
We are exporting to a lot of countries, but mainly will be UAE.
Okay.
The SEPA has been signed up, so it is a good
Yeah.
thing for us.
Absolutely.
For this industry, the government has done a great work, and of course the GJPC and IIJS have done good work for this industry by helping
true.
us promote for the exports.
Yes, because many international clients are coming to the Premier and Signature also. Now Tritiya is ongoing, so I think definitely in future we are going to get more and more clients from those countries also who haven't
100%.
till the date who haven't we can say visited India. So when they are visiting over here, I think there are several kind of the varieties what we have. We can show them and we can promote our products to the world market.
Absolutely. So here we have the
Yeah.
temple jewelry, Ram Parivar. This is a well-known, jewelry collection which is perfect for wedding jewelry. Our
Absolutely.
corporate clients love our products, and we supply to top 3 of this country, top 3
Okay.
retailers.
Top 3 retailers you are
Yes.
supplying to them.
Yes.
Okay.
And one of them is also a listed company. So we are doing our best efforts. This is the rose gold collection
Okay.
where 100% less concept is there. This is also going in export. And the best part is 100% designs are made in our factory. Here we have the Italian range, the chains.
Okay.
Here we have the mixed items. These are the evergreen products which go in the tier 3 and villages and towns because they don't like stones and other things. They
bilkul.
like plain jewelry. We have that as well. So as you can see, our collection is wide enough.
Absolutely.
As you can see there, we are a two-star export house, and we are doing our best efforts to grow in this industry.
So whatever the kind of jewelry someone wants, then definitely they can connect your company and they will get we can say satisfaction with their requirement only.
100%. We'll try our best to make sure that
So
they
any
get-
kind of the clients.
they get what we have, and we can serve to their best possible requirements. We can definitely export to your country. If you're listening to this video, we can export to your country via whatever mediums we can find.
Absolutely. Shubham, one more question I want to ask. Since last 1.5 year, whatever the pricing been fluctuating inside the gold, what is your specific experience with the lightweight jewelry into the local and international both the markets?
Sure. So basically, lightweight jewelry has always been a part of the focus because budget always matters.
Yeah, true.
And that has been the trend. So what I'm expecting is that since 18 karat wasn't that famous a few years back, now
Yes,
since
true.
the gold price is rising, we'll have the 14 karat also coming soon.
Yeah, true.
That is an assumption we are making, and
Absolutely.
we are also getting ready for that.
And that's the requirement of the market right now. What young market we are seeing in India,
Yeah.
I think they are definitely asking for the 18 karat also now.
See, we have to evolve, otherwise they'll shift to silver jewelry and which
Absolutely.
uh,
Not good for the
not
industry,
good for
actually.
gold jewelry, good for silver
Absolutely.
jewelry, but
yeah, true.
definitely.
But then also, Shubham, gold is gold.
Gold is gold. Those who like gold, and because gold has sentimental value,
Absolutely,
silver also has,
absolutely.
but gold has a much more sentimental value.
Absolutely.
That is always there to stay. But what will change is the carat.
And what is the percentage of the diamond jewelry in your total export?
So we do 100% gold jewelry exports.
Okay.
For now, we
Okay.
are entering into diamond jewelry exports, and soon that will happen.
Wow, that's great. That's great. Shubham, last but not least, I want to ask you that for the new entrepreneurs, as I am saying that you are the new entrepreneur only, and I think since last 4 to 5 years, you are in the business.
Yeah, 4 to 5 years on and off.
Okay.
But from last 10-15 years, I am into business. I come to exhibitions. And
Yeah,
everything.
absolutely. So I just want to ask you that I want to tell you that what kind of the suggestions you want to give the new entrepreneurs who are going to come into the jewelry industries in upcoming time,
So,
as per your experience.
as per my experience, this industry was growing, is growing, and will grow.
Absolutely.
There will be distractions in other things, other industries, but since this industry is the best for safe value for investment, and also you can wear the designs.
Yeah,
There's
true.
no such industry where you can, keep your investment safe and also consider that as something that you can wear on a daily basis.
Absolutely. And what they have to keep in their mind before they are entering into the business? Some suggestions.
So best to keep your mind open because what we study and you will feel that the bookish knowledge is not useful, but somewhere it comes handy.
Absolutely.
So it is fair enough a good industry to be in for the young generation. And of course we are the future, so we have to handle it well.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for your suggestion,
Thank you so
dear.
much,
And
Amit
it's a really pleasure to talk with you. I'm wishing that your company become a 5-star very soon, within a year only.
100%.
It is possible.
It is
Because
possible,
in
but,
which way the market is available all over the world.
That comes to $1 billion, so yes, we'll try for that.
But I can say that kind of we can say young blood like you, definitely this industry will grow immensely, and we are going to reach all over the world with our jewelry only.
100%.
Yeah?
So one more
Huh.
suggestion for the young generation:
Yeah,
understand the rules and then play the game.
absolutely, and keep patience.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much once
Thank you
again,
so
dear,
much.
and have a great luck. Thank you.
Amit Milani and team, India's best export import business trainers.